Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do, this is a review video by the way, this is about the Plushcare Wegovy and we'll find out the pros and cons, right? So here you can see the best thing is about the cost, right? That is $15 per month membership fee, out of the pocket size, right? $129 for the first doctor visit, right? And $99 for every follow-up. Types of medicine, right? You can just really, I don't know how to pronounce this medicine names here. Program approach, ongoing clinical support plus personalized treatment plan. Work for people who have 2 diabetes and BMI of 30 or BMI of 27 with one weight-related conditions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, right? So the first one is effective for long-term weight loss. Convenient dosing once a week can be excellent option for those struggling with traditional weight loss methods, right? And then the cons is it can be expensive without insurance, the price ranging from $1,300 to $1,500 per month. Some insurance companies may require prior authorization, which can be slow process. Common side effects includes nausea, diarrhea, constipation, and headaches. Side effects can last a while if experienced. So if you're considering this Plushcare, it's important to weigh the benefits and potential downsides, especially in terms of cost and side effects. Make sure to consult your doctor for personalized plan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.